very much, Chair.
Mu kiro ekikeseza olunaku olwaleero akakiiko ak'ekiseera kateekebwawo sipiika okunoonyereza ku mivuyo gy'ekitavu ky'abakozi kakunyiza minisita w'ekikula ky'abantu ku nsimbi akawumbi akamu mu obukadde 8 ezigambibwa nti zaayisibwa nti zaakuddiza ku bantu kyokka abakulu ku boodi ne bazeegabira nga bali wamu ne minisita Mongi.
Of misusing NSS funds by doing business with it, is giving out loans, is doing money lending.
It's true.
Can I see it? Because I am telling you, I'm the one who passed the budget. I'm the one who approved it, and I have given you the budget I approved, and it doesn't have 1.8 billion.
How much
for
does it
corporate
have?
social responsibility?
It was now corporate social investment.
We were looking at partnerships. How do we come together to implement the new law? And he was telling me we will have partnerships, even with members of parliament, private sector, so that we drive voluntary.
Kigambibwa nti ku zino minisita Mongi yatwalako obukadde 2.5, ssente wa boodi yatwalako obukadde 2, ate ab'ebibiina eby'abakozi 2 balwalako obukadde 4 n'endala ne ziggwera mu bammemba ba boodi.
Sincerely, honourable members, is it so difficult to comprehend that I am saying that the meeting resolved that 6 billion is lawful and should be implemented within NSSF activities?
You can imagine the 6 billion was definitely new and had nothing to do with what we had already budgeted.
Okay.
Thirdly, I will never do anything that will bring me problems. So may I first see that letter before I answer this question?
Minisita Mongi ategeeza akakiiko nti ye ssente zino tazisabangako nga yalabirawo nga yali ssenkulu wa NSSF Richard Byarugaba ne ssente wa boodi Peter Kimbowa bamutegeeza nti ssente zino zaali zaakuyisibwa ze bammemba ba boodi bonna okugabanako nga baddiza ku bantu.
Richard came to me with the chairman and told me that this is the idea they have come up with from the board of doing a corporate social investment where the minister will be donating, the chairman will be donating, the board members will be donating. Then I asked them that I don't know about social corporate investment.
When the minister asked us to provide for the activities, we said we had already done so. So I would not have expected when the letter came for the minister now to be saying we should allocate 6 billion shillings for the same activities which were already in the budget.
Can you give me any documentation that is with you, that somebody has brought, saying that we have asked for money? And I indicated in my letter that you are required to do this within the NSSF policy and legal framework. So whatever the board did must be within the policy and legal framework.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.